store my tools in the tool tube. My rain gear goes in this case Harper bag. My Givi has a few items, and the side cover. Here's the tools I carry on my bike. I have unpacked them from the bike. Sorry, the microphone wasn't turned on my camera. In my tank bag I carry 2 spark plugs, an extra 14mm wrench, an Allen wrench, tire pressure gauge. Not sure why I'm looking at my Allen wrench again. And the Allen wrench to affix the clock I carry on my handlebars. Here's the Dynaplug compressor, air compressor. I got off, I think it was Revzilla for $29. It was normally $69. Bag of cotter pins. Tire valve tool. Valve core. In this case I have extra caps, valve caps, and extra valves in there. Bottle of shampoo, mix that with water for lubricant to get the tire on and off the rim. Alcohol to clean the inner tube for repair. Nose pliers to pull anything out of the tire. Baby powder to help the tube seat into the tire. Here's the compressor. Goes connects to the compressor on the bottom, into the tire. This uses an SAE connector, extension cord. Under the red cap, you can use your tire pressure gauge while pumping it up, so you don't have to disconnect it from your tire to see the tire pressure. Standard toolkit that I've added zip ties to. See different zip ties. And a shim. I use this shim when I go to insert the tire back on the vehicle, the bike, the brake pads come together. I put the shim in the brake calipers to hold the brake pads apart. It turns out to be 5mm in thickness. And as I pull the wheel up and in, the shim pops out, and it saves an extra hand required. Just made out of ABS plastic. Tire spoons. Don't recommend these tire spoons. They're Dr. Rock. Yeah, they just scratch everything up. They're rough. They work. And the rim protectors are too hard to get on and off. They pop inside your tire. Good luck getting them out. So this is something I'm going to replace in the future. Definitely those are garbage. One of them I want to grind flat so I can twist it sideways to pop the bead. Here's the augmented toolkit I created. There's a bunch of nuts, bolts, washers that I've got off Amazon. They're all metric. Here's the little box they came in. I think it was 16 bucks. Came in this little box. I'm using it now to store all my old light bulbs from the bike. I switched over to all LED. So there's the old bulbs and relay. Basic metric socket set, small. This is a valve stem puller. You go to put the tube in, you push this through from on the rim, and it helps you pull the valve stem through. Great tool. Saved my fingers a bunch of times. I think I got off Amazon for $8 or something like that, 10 bucks. Here's my Allen wrench kit. Probably more than I need. I want to figure out which ones I need. Only carry the ones I need. SOG multi-tool. It's not the greatest, but it is a hand-me-down from my stepfather, so I keep it. And this is just a very good adjustable wrench. Ratchet. A small extension. 8mm. Just a bunch of wrenches that are all fit. Now this toolkit was designed when I got a flat tire. I was stuck on the side of the road with no cell service and no way to get in contact with AAA or Royal Enfield. That is just electrical tape. Sandpaper for roughing up the inner tube. Alcohol wipes to clean it. Big thing of patches. I put them in a plastic bag to protect them. 2 tubes of glue. More than you need, but if one bursts, you have the other one as a backup. Scuffer helps scuff the area. Extra valve stem nut and an extra cap. Definitely pays to practice patching a tube. If you follow a few videos, a little bit of glue, multiple layers, works perfect.